Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. I really hope you guys are doing well. And today, because the Christ notification is out, because you guys are already, on the path of filling the forms for Christ. So we are going to discuss what are the courses that you can get in Christ universities. राइट क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी के आप कौन सा कोर्स जो है वो चूज कर सकते हैं व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस एंड दैट बीइंग सेड आई लाइक टू टेल यू व्हाट आर दे ऑफरिंग इन दीज कोर्सेस सो दैट यू कैन चूज you know better course for yourself, right? Good afternoon, Devansh. Good afternoon, Hamza. Welcome to the session. So guys, before starting, I would like to tell you something, that the entrance exam is common. Okay, so it is not like that you guys are supposed to get different entrance exams. I also did a video on that. So there's a video which says important notification dates for Christ University. तो आप अगर वहाँ पे search करेंगे, then each and every column I've given what courses are being given for that particular CUET entrance exam. I hope I'm making sense. Why? Because there is no separate exam. Like आप BCom करना चाहते हैं, BBA करना चाहते हैं, there's no separate. So the CUET exam is same. So you're going to get same exam. I also did a video on this. Hi Sakshi, welcome to the session. So I also did a video yesterday in which I explained that what are the topics and how can you start, studying for them. And because we have multiple dates for Christ University, how can you go about it? So if you want to know about the dates, did a video on that. If you know about this, want to know about the syllabus, did a video on that. How to approach the syllabus, I also explained that. What can you expect, I also explained that. However, today we're going to discuss what is Christ University offering you in their courses. Okay, so we'll start with this, but before that, let me give you a little bit information about our ongoing courses at BYJU'S Exam Prep. And this is our course for the students who want to get selected in top central universities by CUCET. Now, Central University Common Entrance Test, a champions course. This is the name of the course that we are offering for the students who want to appear for CUCET 2022. Also, we are offering you BBA Rankers course if you are preparing for NARCI, Symbiosis, Indraprasth University, Christ University, St. Xavier's. That means you can join this particular course. We're going to help you by giving you live classes, full-length mock tests, sectional test, practice quizzes, and then practice questions, all of that, right? Also, I am going to give you a free mega workshop on 30th Jan at 1 p.m. on how to get into IIMs directly after class 12th. So make sure you join that. Just download the BYJU'S Exam Prep app, enroll for the same. It is free and register for it. So and meet me at 1 p.m. on Sunday. So that is what is going to happen. And then this is our Score Booster course for IPM and DUJAT batch 3. Now guys, this has been launched in January. So you want to hurry up because the classes have started and you do not want to miss out much. Also, I'm giving you free special sessions for logical reasoning only on BYJU'S Exam Prep app every day at 4 p.m. Feel free to join them to practice more questions on logical reasoning. Now let's start with Christ University's courses, right? So the first thing that you have to understand is that they are offering you a bunch of courses in commerce and business. So it's not a simple BBA or a simple BCom. You're going to get a variety of courses in Christ University. These courses are broadly of two types. You're going to get two types of courses: Bachelor of Commerce program, ठीक है, BCom, and then Bachelor of Business Administration, so BCom and BBA, right? The perfect course for a candidate depends entirely on your career preferences. So I'm going to explain what you can expect from that course. Best way to choose the course for yourself is you can always research about what are they going to offer about that particular course, and then you can find out from the alumni, because this very easily found now on internet. आप बहुत आराम से किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी का alumni find कर सकते हैं. So Try to understand what are these courses offering. Common entrance test है, so right now you only need to focus on the entrance test, and then forward थोड़ा सा अगर आप जाएंगे तो choices आपको कैसे करनी है, that depends entirely on what your career preference is, right? And you're highly requested to read in detail about each course at Christ University official website. Now this is very important because doing your own research always helps you. ठीक है, that is always going to be helpful. And you can also explore future career options. ठीक है, as I said, alumni से बात कर सकते हैं. As I said, you can research on internet, simple Google search कर सकते हो कि okay, if I do this course, what are my career options? You can search for jobs. Like if I, assuming that you have already have done that course, what are your career choices? You can research on that as well. Will there be a deadline for us to enroll into Christ University? Yes, yes, absolutely, Vicky. So, Christ University, once you clear it, after the counseling is done, after they give you, okay, this is the seat that we are offering you, they're going to give you a certain seat, and yes, they will give you a deadline. So, you will be required to pay the fees for Christ University if you have cleared it till that deadline. Okay, Vicky, I hope that answers your question. Even if you're appearing for DU, I would say you should still go for Christ University because in that amount of time when they'll be giving you the deadline, okay, pretty much clarity will be there on your mind. So that is my recommendation, right? I hope that clears your query. You're requested to not to go by buzzwords or word of the mouth. Now, why am I saying this? Because a lot many, students are like, "Arey nahi Christ University nahi, arey nahi Symbiosis nahi, arey nahi Delhi University." So don't do these things. Do your own research because when you have facts handy, you're able to make a clear choice. That is something you should always do. Now, there are seven different programs in Christ University for BCom as well as BBA. So BCom के specific 6 different courses हैं. We're going to discuss them one by one, right? Okay, I hope that is clear. Please rank them Central Campus. Of course, you have already ranked it, beta. You have already ranked it in order. Central being the first one, then BGR. ठीक है. Plus, Agamdeep, I would tell you one thing. Ranking always depends on your preference. ठीक है. Sometimes it is like you going into the market and getting what you require the most. ठीक है. It never is going to depend on what campus you. Okay, of course the weightage is going to be there, but it also depends on what you're learning and what you're how you're applying your knowledge. You will get a percentage थोड़ा सा cut हो जाएगा विकी. I think that is a clause when you go to Christ University, when you secure a seat, ठीक है, if after the deadline you want to switch it, they are going to give you, after like 95% will be refunded and I think 5% they will take. I'm not sure about this percentage. I'm just bluffing right now. Okay? But there is a certain percentage cut. What is that amount? I'm not sure. You can see that in the Christ University ka official website. Right now, I don't have an idea. Okay? I might want to check that after this video. I'll check that and let you know. Right? So I think there is a percentage cut if you want to switch it afterwards. Okay? Okay, so the first BCom Strategic Finance Honors. Now BCom के 6 different programs हैं. One of them is Strategic Finance Honors. This program's curriculum is benchmarked on the globally recognized Certified Management Accountant (CMA). ठीक है, awarded by the Institute of Management Accountants (IMA), which is a US-based worldwide association for accountants and financial professionals. So, BCom Strategic Financial Honors is the course. If you believe that you want to, recognized globally for this, this is a certified course. You can, make sure that you want to get into this. Okay, okay, Vicky. So I'll try my best to lessen your confusion, I believe. Okay, but the best news right now, Vicky, is that there is a common entrance test. ठीक है, you need to give your 1000% in this because the level of exam is not very difficult. You'll be able to get better scores, you'll be able to get best courses, right? So that is something you're going to get. Okay, the faculty panel for this program includes professional with CMA and CPA qualification and industry experience. Now this particular course is globally recognized, right, and the curriculum is made according to the benchmark, and the faculty panel of this program is professional with CMA, so, that is your certified management accountant, right, and CPA qualification. That is something which is the faculty already offering you. Respect, Agamdeep, whenever in doubt, any entrance exam, tell yourself that 85% is a minimum respectable score. Tell yourself that. And trust me, यहाँ पे आप उससे भी ज़्यादा achieve कर सकते हो. ठीक है? So minimum 85%. Because time is limited, however, your strategy can let you achieve a lot. ठीक है? So 85% is a very respectable 80 to 85%. Whatever entrance exam, that is something you should go by. एक रूल है क्योंकि डिपेंड्स ऑन द डिफिकल्टी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन पेपर, वो थोड़ा सा कम भी हो सकता है, लेकिन राइट नाउ इफ यू थिंक अबाउट क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी का एंट्रेंस टेस्ट लेवल, इट इज मॉडरेट लेवल, नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो 85 इज अ वेरी रिस्पेक्टेबल स्कोर, राइट? Okay, BCom Financial Analytics. Fine. This program is designed with special focus on finance, accounting, and analytics. Students will require the skills and knowledge to meet the challenges of a business environment and financial markets. Okay, so the previous one that you had was strategic finance honors. This one is financial analytics. Okay. So, develop the ability to critically analyze emerging business issues and interpret insights from huge amount of financial data. Okay, so this is a different program than the previous one. University also gives special importance to expose student community to scholarly research in the national and global business arena. Now that is something which is one of the very important thing that Christ offers. They try to expose you, okay, to the national level community, and then business global level community. So that is something you are going to get. They have a very stern way of applying curriculum to the practical knowledge. Last question, please make a special video dealing with PI and MP. Okay. Okay, we can do that. We can do that, Agam. But right now, let's focus on this. I take that into account. Okay, I've taken that into account. The team has also taken that into account. So BCom program, this is one BCom ka another program. It provides you a strong foundation level understanding. Now this thing I would say we have kind of ranked it in the order. Okay, choice on the scale of global recognition. So the first one is globally recognized, the second one gives you exposure, and this is the third one. The BCom program provides a strong foundation level understanding of functioning of business organization, commercial transactions, and various specialized operations such as accounting, finance, marketing, HR, by offering a comprehensive curriculum. Guys, whenever choosing a course, go to the official website, and this thing is something you might want to take a look at. The curriculum for each and every program. That actually helps you understand what is the course you want to get into and what are your future plans. Like you could be a student who wants to do MBA afterwards. Right, so what works best for you? What is the curriculum that is going to go best for you? Why you might want to prepare for CAT after your undergraduate degree completion, right? So what works best for you? That बहुत सारा knowledge जो है वो इस curriculum के offering से पता चल जाता है. Make sure you do that. Research is very important. No matter what I say today, what I try to explain, जब आप अपनी खुद की research करेंगे, you're going to get so much clarity. But before that, ठीक है, let us understand the basics of it, because once you have given the exam, once you have understood okay, that this is a common entrance test and this is going to give me choices to each one of them, then you have to make a choice. First step is to clear the exam. The 3-year BCom degree, this is a 3-year BCom degree. It is divided into 6 semesters. ठीक है, that means half a year का एक semester है, and is designed as per the choice based credit system model curriculum prescribed by UGC, University Grant Commission. ठीक है, so this one offers you information and learnings about accounting, finance, marketing, HR, offering a comprehensive curriculum prescribed by University Grants Commission. ठीक है, तो ये आपका करिकुलम जो है वो यूनिवर्सिटी जो सेंट्रलाइज यूनिवर्सिटीज को गवर्न करता है यूजीसी, उनके द्वारा इट इज प्रिस्क्राइब्ड, राइट? सो दैट इट इज अ चॉइस बेस्ड क्रेडिट सिस्टम, राइट? Okay, so BCom honors, ठीक है, previous one was BCom, a simple program, ठीक है, so this one is BCom honors. Christ introduced this in June 2010, so around 12 years old, right? That means you have plethora of alumni base to understand okay, what are they offering, what are the career choices, right? So June 2010, this course was offered. This program caters to commerce aspirants who desire to build their professional competence on a higher plateau, okay, with specialized knowledge in the field of business and commerce. Okay, so for those students who want to get specialized knowledge in the field of business and commerce, this is the course for them. The curriculum is duly developed, considered the desired level of knowledge, exposure in the context of ever-changing environment in the global business. So if you aspire to, kind of expand your family's business, or probably you want to start up your own, this is one of the things that is going to give you professional competence का experience, ठीक है? So the curriculum is designed for that perspective. Then BCom Morning, this is one of the courses, ठीक है, which is offered by Christ University. ठीक है, this program is about improving the well-being of Karnataka students from socio-economically stressed backgrounds. Okay, while doing honors, we will be asked end of the second year to choose the specialization. Yes, Agam, ठीक है, but for more clarity, I would like you to check. Probably that is after the third semester, I believe. ठीक है, they try to give you insights after the third semester, but you might want to check that out. The exact, I think by the end of second year is the specialization you want to get into. ठीक है, so UGC जो भी आपको the best part about Christ is the curriculum is not a waste. Okay? So you won't be just going to college for the sake of a degree. You will be learning things. Okay? That is the best part about Christ, and that is why they give you this offers of doing different programs. ठीक है, तो आप choose कर सकते हैं कि okay, this is my way of going ahead with my career. ठीक है, I want to go to start my business, then I want to be someone who wants to go into account or HR, ठीक है, and then you go for financial analytics. So all these things are given by them, right? So yes, I think it is the end of second year or by the end of the third semester. That is the deal, right? So the success of the society is linked by the well-being of each and every citizen, and this program is for the Karnataka students जो कि socio-economically stressed background से हैं, ठीक है, very carefully curated for them. So program is about supporting students to grow and develop skills and contribute their families and society at large in a meaningful way, right? So that the students can move forward to their path. Acha. What are the options for specialization? I'll have to check that one as well, Vicky. ठीक है, I think the specializations offer you finance analytics. ठीक है, you can go and get that, and then you have accounting, then you have HR. These are the specializations that they are offering you, but it is just the basics. It is not like a full-fledged specialization. ठीक है, just the basics of it. Getting their Delhi NCR campus is way too easy. Yes, I would say, because Agam, the older campuses, ठीक है, the ones which were the main campuses, ठीक है, they are difficult to get, and yes, the faculty difference is there. I won't sugarcoat it, ठीक है, but yes, Down south, if you're going to get into Christ University, your preference should be okay, down south. Ma'am, I'm just entering class 12. Should I start? Of course, Ansh. Of course. For clarity, I would like to tell you we have so many students who are in class 11th and already preparing for their entrance tests. Okay, so make sure you do that. Now, guys, the sixth BCom program offered by them is BCom Professional. Okay, the program specializes in management accounting as it is aligned with CIMA UK, where 10 out of 17 papers are exempted. Okay, mandatory credit based additional discipline specific electives. Okay, now ADSE, additional discipline specific electives modeled on company secretary CS course. Now CS is something that students do alag se as well, so this course also is modeled on that. So if your future is around the CS, आप अपना करियर सीएस कंपनी सेक्रेटरी के अराउंड चूज करना चाहते हैं, तो yes, this is the course modeled around that. Or Insurance Institute of India III, students can choose any one cluster. Okay, so you have to choose just one cluster. Employability skill enhances courses like Advanced Excel, Six Sigma, Tableau, Python, cybersecurity, and portfolio management. So this gives you a variety of employability skill enhancement courses. Okay, so you have to choose for what is your choice of career afterwards. So you can choose accordingly. Yes, yes, Vicky. Yes, absolutely. So the fifth one goes after. Like I would like to switch the last two. Okay, I don't know why that happened. So the previous one, this one, I would like to rank that on the sixth one. Okay, so because clearly the professional one has more, comprehensive curriculum. So I'd like to rank that six coming before five. Okay, that is what I would like to do. Then we have BBA. Okay, BBA offered at Christ University for finance and accountancy. Um, One of the nicely curated courses. The program is integrated with ACCA UK and offers mandatory credit-based additional discipline-specific electives. Again, okay, what you got in BCom Professional, modeled on company secretary course or Insurance Institute of India along with. Okay, so the basics of the last one and this one is almost the same. Ma'am, is there any special most market value? Agam, honestly, if you're thinking कि अच्छा मुझे सबसे ज्यादा placement कहाँ पे मिलेगी, trust me, choose any of them and try to master anything. You're going to get best package. It actually depends on the students, because trust me, there is this question that comes to me almost every day. The students are like, ma'am, कौन सा course choose करूँ कि placement best हो? It is not the course that is going to give you the best placement. It is you deciding that, okay, this is something I want to do as a professional, and then working hard for it. You could be in an IIM, okay? You could clear IP MAT Indore and then getting the least possible, placement package. Why is that? Because it could be on like your competency level. So you have to understand that it solely is going to depend on your choice. ठीक है, that is something which is going to happen. But just look at this. So they're giving you so many skill enhancement courses like Advanced Excel, Six Sigma, Python, which is pretty much required, then cyber security pretty much required. ठीक है, you want to go for BBA, perfect. You want to go to BCom, and they are giving you you can choose one cluster out of Insurance Institute of India's cluster or company secretary. You have choices. So why are they expecting you to make choices? Because they are expecting you to have an answer to what your professional choice is going to be. Okay, so the universities are always going to let you choose. So this one is going to, I know this is not a easy pill to swallow, but this is the truth, right? So Matrix, blue pill, red pill. So it depends on your choice. What are you choosing? Do you want to stay, oblivion to the facts, or do you want to choose the truth? So one thing I would like to tell you again about Christ University is I've told you that these many courses are there. Just tell yourself, just ask yourself, what do you want to do? Do you want to be a professional who aids a multinational company or a business? Do you want to be a person who wants to start up their own business, or probably you have a family business, you want to aid to that particular thing? Or do you want to go to, become a CS, because that is something which is a very good choice? Do you want to go to the accounting field? Do you want to go to the finance field? Do you want to go to probably go and choose MBA afterwards? So all these career choices, try to choose at least two, and then try to select a course. That would be the best thing to do. And all the best choosing these courses. I tried to give you an insight to what you can expect from these. And having that being said, the entrance exam is pretty much near, because I am expecting each one of you to go and give the exam in March. Okay, the exam is not going to be very difficult. Why am I asking you to do that? Because you will have two choices left. Recommended, guys, go for the exam in March. Make sure you do that. And if you come across any difficulty in your syllabus of the entrance test, especially of general knowledge, Salik sir is going to give you daily free sessions about general knowledge at 2 p.m. on BYJU'S Exam Prep app, as I do at 4 p.m. Okay. Same is done by Ankur Tomar sir. Okay. For BBA entrance exams, he is giving you specialized free sessions for quantitative ability. Okay, very good. Fine. So then this is our score booster course for IP MAT and DUJAR 2022. I, along with Rabia ma'am, Salik sir, Vinod sir, Ankur Tomar sir, are going to help you to reach your dream college. So feel free to, download BYJU'S Exam Prep app and get a hold of these free sessions. And okay, take care. You want to pursue CFA, okay, and goal is to work under MNC. Yeah. So take care. So you want to go to an MNC as what? As what? As someone who wants to design programs, or take a hold of programs, or manage their finances. So many choices. So many choices, guys. Acha, I'll tell you one more way. I'll tell you one more way. That is, find out each and every BCom and see what are the career options afterwards. Okay, like you wanted to choose BCom finance, financial analytics. Okay, that program you chose. What are the career choices afterwards? Then you wanted to choose a BCom professional. What are the career choices afterwards? BBA. What are the career choices afterwards? So make sure you do that. And there you go, Agam. There you go. You have an answer to your question already. I would say that a good choice for you would be professional, BCom professional and BBA. Okay, both of them are very good courses given by Christ University for the students like you. Okay, you can choose them. That is a very good choice. But then again, you want to take a look at each and every aspect. I hope this was insightful for all you guys. Take care. For more such amazing videos, like you guys said, ma'am, do some more videos on this. I'll be, taking help of my team to, design more such videos. Also, I would like you guys to subscribe to our channel, like this video if you liked and it was insightful for you, and hit that bell icon so that we can tell you, okay, this is the new video coming up. Okay, yes, absolutely. BBA honors from BGR is one of the courses that I think you have been asking me this earlier as well. Ma'am, there are other BBA to Christ. I was waiting for them. No, right now there is no notification. These are the best ones. I tried to give you the information about that. So, ma'am, BCom. I would not say that, Vicky. Honestly, that is not my meaning. of explaining the global recognition. But yes, that BCom, the first course that I told you is globally recognized. They have a very nicely curated curriculum for that. So if that is your choice, then yes, you can go ahead with that. That solely depends on your choice. Okay, I'm not saying something is having a greater value. So that would be saying engineering has a greater value than medical, or MBBS is having a greater value than BBA or MBA. No, that would be a very wrong way to put it. Okay, so I'm trying to tell you that these universities, especially Christ, because we were discussing Christ, they are giving you very good curriculum. So if someone offers you a good curriculum, that means they're giving you good faculty. You take that chance to learn. Okay, so this is a chance for you guys to learn at Christ universities for whatever best things they're offering right now. But again, the common entrance test they are taking through CUET is soon. So first take a look at that, and then we are going to talk about the next things. Okay, so very clearly I'm going to try to bring out a new video on Christ. Till then, please take care of yourself. Not really, Agam, not really. But एग्जाम्स जो प्रीवियस ईयर के हुए हैं ठीक है द लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस मेमोरी बेस्ड देयर सो मेनी वीडियोस ऑनलाइन फॉर दैट ठीक है द लेवल ऑफ एग्जाम दैट एज वी अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज आई हैव 6-7 years experience for the students going for Christ University, the level of logical reasoning is not difficult, easily attainable. Level of quantitative ability is not difficult. ठीक है so the level is pretty much moderate, which means a lot many students will be able to get good marks. So that is where the competition comes from. ठीक है BCom International Finance में yes, yes, absolutely. And Vicky, honestly, as I feel that you wanted to go for the global recognition, that is the choice. Okay. Yes, I would say yes. That is highly recommended. Okay. Because you said, ma'am, you wanted to go for DU as well. So this is one of the choices as private university, which is going to give you good insight and knowledge and good curriculum with one of the best peers in the faculties. Okay, I hope this was insightful, guys, and I'm going to meet you guys soon because I have another session. And this was so nice talking to you. I'm going to meet you guys soon. Till then, please take care of yourselves. Don't forget to join me at 4 on BYJU'S Exam Prep app, where I'm going to give you few questions to practice. Okay, Christ, Aditya, Christ. Okay, but then again, having that being said, it depends on so many levels. So what are you expecting afterwards? What are your career choices? Okay, and Aditya, one more way to put it, alumni. Please make sure you take a look at them. But this undoubtedly Christ. Okay, the south down south, उनका जो main campus है, especially for that. Bye bye everyone. Take care. Have a nice day.